Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your school group, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin into your school community? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin into your school group anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs, and maybe you want to assign one of them into your school group to help manage the discussion. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your school community dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my school group, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order to assign an admin, you have to invite them in as a member, or they need to already be a member. So if you have one particular member that contributes a lot to your group, you can upgrade them to an admin position. So this is assuming that the admin is already a member. If you need to add them in as go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But a quick overview, you're going to click on members here on the top. Once you click on members, you're going to click here on invite, and here you can go ahead and send the invitation. Once they accept the invitation, they're going to be added into your members category. So let me close this out. Once they are members, they're going to appear right here in active. You can see it's just me and this other account right here. Now, once they are members, in order to turn them into an admin, you're going to click on their membership button here on the right. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show more information about their account, but you want to look for this button here, role. It's under the membership section. You can see they're a member, but you want to click on this blue change button. Okay, once you click there, it's going to give you a drop-down menu, and you want to choose this button here, admin. They do let you know they can do everything except change the group owner and see billing info. If you're okay with that, click on admin. Quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see role updated. So now this person has been added as an admin. You can see right here next to their name in blue. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin into your school community, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.